It's 5:30. We have a 9 o'clock market, and we're loaded up. Some cucumbers, some squash, some snap peas, some shell peas, canopy. In the totes we have squash and cucumbers, and we have our displays and tables. So we're off the market. Besides having stuff in the back, we also have some raspberries, a small amount of cherry tomatoes. Those are for home use. Just forgot some truck last night. And we have some beans. So you might not always think of it, but yeah, your farmer is driving around with beans in the front seat. I'll get the truck started, get off the market, and get set up. And we're just about to market. It takes us anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour. And we try to get there at least 2 hours early to get set up. So we'll be here about 2.5 hours early. It's about 6:18. We'll get there shortly, about 6:30. And the market starts at 9. So, you know, we've got to get the truck unloaded, display set up, move the truck. We're not at a market where we can leave the truck behind us. So quite a bit to do still, but we'll take you along. Okay, it's 8:10 p.m. Back from market. The market was over at 1. It was about a half hour to clean up, pick up, load up the truck, and get out. Stopped at the hardware store in the same town where the market's located. Picked up some PVC, which was great because our local hardware stores really charge a good price and don't have the selection. The PVC is for our blueberry project, see if we can keep the birds out. But like I said, it's about 8:10. Gonna get the truck unloaded and go in and have a bite to eat. Call it a day. As always, thanks for watching.